Hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back. Stu's back at me. How you doing? How you been? I hope everything's good with you. I got this 2018 Ford Fusion. This is second generation. If you have a car between 2017 and 2018, then this video is for you. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick in this baby. Shout outs to everybody in the building. Shout outs to everybody that support my channel, subscribers, viewers. What you're waiting for? Subscribe now. Get your membership too. If you want me to reach more people, click the share button. Anything you want to say about this car, how you like it, is it reliable? Anything you want to say about this car, put in the comment box. Don't forget to show your appreciation and gratitude by hitting the super thanks button. It's over here, over here. It looks like a heart. Click on it, go through it. You see what's up. Do you think? Show your love. I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, all right? I'm not going to hold you up. Let's do this. Oh, by the way, all the tools that I'm using for this job, I'm gonna put it down here. It says B products. You have up to 30 items to choose from, okay? Oh, I have a video how to replace the airbag on 2017, 2018 Ford Fusion. Come on, let's do this. Let's get it. Boom. Are you gonna come over here? Okay, you're gonna open the hood. Here's the lever. Just pull it once, it's okay. Let me show you how many miles this thing has. Yeah, this car has 24,000 miles, all right? 25. You're gonna come over here. You pull it to the left. Okay. You open the hood like that. There's a kickstand for you. It's gonna be laying down here. You put it right there. All right. Now here. Pow! In your face. Engine oil cap. 520. That's the oil tap you're gonna use. Oil dipstick to check the oil level. Coolant reservoir. Windshield fluid reservoir. AC port. That's the other AC port, so you can refill your AC in summertime. If you don't have none, if you have none, whatever. Engine oil filter, fuse box, battery, brake fluid reservoir, motherboard. Not much here in the back. Alternator. We're gonna come down here where everything is beautiful. We have like this cover, 10 millimeter. It's a clip over here, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. I'm gonna remove that, okay? There you go. In your face. Woo! What is that? Some great cheers bringing stuff here. And the funny thing is that they always choose if you see a video, one of my videos on my channel, this animal put a lot of dog food in the engine air filter. That's crazy. Look it up. I think it was in a Ford Fusion or Ford Focus. Yeah. All right. This is gonna be a 13 millimeter. 13 millimeter socket, huh? Ugh. Okay. Try this. Be careful, you might get a splash. Like, tight it, snug it. Ah, there you go. Fuel filter is right here. The fuel filter, the oil filter. It's a white thing. Check. See. See. What? What's that? He's looking up. And now, it's gonna be leaking. So whew. That comes from Ford, right? Motorcraft.
What the hell is this?
Your hit.
Desliga o chiquito dizer que essa é uma bola feia.
Alright, I'm gonna put the new filter. This thing's gonna come dry. Just lube it with some oil. Then when you remove it, same way you put it back. Don't make your life difficult. Well, more difficult. In the mess. Put the cover back. Let's pour the new oil. Right, put your fan on there. The book says 4.2. I'm gonna pour 4. 5W20. It says right there in the engine oil cap. 520. Regular oil. Okay. That's 4 right there. I'm gonna remove the funnel. Put the engine oil cap back. Start the car. Let it idle for a minute. Okay, I'm gonna start it now. Ready, set, go. Car is running right now. Okay, let it run for a minute. It should be good enough. I'm gonna shut it down now. Okay, I just shut it down. I'm gonna remove the oil dipstick. Right. So it says minimum here, max. It's supposed to be here at the max level. Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's do it. And yeah, looks like this Gucci. Right out of the max. 4 quarts. Right here where everything is beautiful, we're gonna reset the oil life. Okay. I'm gonna start the car because I can do it like that too. Car is running right now. Okay. Now we're gonna use these buttons and we're gonna follow whatever it says right here. Okay. Now we're gonna press to the left and we're gonna scroll down. Press OK. Press OK. Oil life reset. Press OK. Now it says hold OK to reset. And then press and hold the OK button. There you go. Now let it go. That's how you reset the oil life in this baby, alright? Well guys, that's it for now. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy. Now you know how to do the oil change and how to reset the oil life. I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. You know where to find me. I'm clacking now. Axtuo Ax. Hey, don't forget to support the channel, alright? Like, share, comment. Anything you want to say about this car, put in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about this baby, alright? I like your boy, Axtuo Ax. Yeah.